Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, showing you how to install the sheepskin seat cover bottom on your vehicle. Going through all these steps here, and again, it's a black sheepskin bottom, very comfortable. I'm going to show you all the steps how to put this on. Let's do this. Okay, so it's pretty simple here. This is just a square sheepskin pad that is going to go onto the base down here. And now there's going to be 2 elastic straps on the front, 2 on the back. Okay, so you're going to want to line that up. You're just going to lay it right there onto the seat right here. And then what you're going to do is take these elastics. These are going to hook down to the front underneath the seat. And these are going to push through the seat and then hook around underneath the seat as well on the back. So then it's going to kind of reach around and hook underneath there. It's just a real simple way to get a seat cushion for you and to get this snugged on. So first thing I'm going to do is just start to push this into the seat crevice there. Okay, and push these elastic straps through that have the hooks on them. Okay, and then pull that forward just a little bit more. Now, again, if you want more coverage than what this is going to offer, check out the product that we offer as well called the Sheepskin Double Cap. The double cap is going to come around the sides a little bit more and come up over the backrest and connect on there. But now that I've pushed that through the seat crack right there, I got those elastics there. I'm going to take these front straps right here and reach underneath and hook those on. Now I'm not going to pull real hard because I don't want this to slip out on the back side right there. I'm just going to reach underneath. And now if you have electric seats, this is going to be a tip for you, is raise this seat up, and that's going to create space underneath the seat and allow your hand a little bit more space underneath there to reach underneath and do that. And really what it's hooking on to underneath there, and sorry, it's kind of a hard place to show the camera, but I'm just reaching underneath, and there's these metal bars and springs underneath your seat there that this hook right here goes on and hooks onto. Okay, so you can kind of feel what I'm doing is I'm gripping this right here, and then I'm using these 2 fingers to kind of feel where that spring is, and then I reach and just hook it onto that spring. Okay, so I'm reach underneath, and sometimes it may take a try or 2, but I found a solid piece underneath there. So that front's hooked on right there. Now I'm gonna go to the back and we'll hook that back side on. So come on around, I'll show you this. So here's these 2 elastic straps right here that I've pushed through the seat crevice between the backrest and the bottom section. Now, if you have a felt flap that folds around your seat right here, you're gonna need to unhook that felt flap first. And usually there's just 2 little hooks that you can unhook it with. And you need to get access, or at least unhook one side so you can get access to push this through and then hook it around. So now that that's through though, I'm gonna reach underneath and hook it on to a solid bar here. This is on a Toyota Avalon that we're doing this on today, but the principle is the same on any vehicle. There we go. Okay, found a solid bar. Perfect. Now I'm going to do this next one right here. Perfect. Okay. Found another solid bar right there. Perfect. So now those 2 are hooked on. Okay, so the back and the front have been hooked on. And now let's kind of show you how it finishes out here. So again, this is just the most basic, simple way to get a seat cushion on your seat to get a little more comfort. And that is how it finishes out right there. So as you can see, get in and out on that. I'm pushing on this. There is this material on the backside. It's kind of a non-slip material that helps from it, so it's not sliding around too much there. But then those 2 straps on the front, 2 straps on the back, that helps to keep it in place right there. And that's pretty much how you put it on. Pretty simple there. I'm just gonna sit on that just to show you how, man, that's so much more comfortable. And really this has vinyl, this leather inside this Toyota Avalon right now, and it's kind of a chilly, kind of cold winter day here in Utah, and man, this stuff is really cold. But then you were sitting on this, man, it's so much warmer, so much more comfortable. Really love the sheepskin. This is Australian sheepskin, and you know, pretty dense sheepskin. It's so very, very nice, very comfortable, temperature resilient, and doesn't heat up in the summers, and you know, so it keeps you cool in the summers, keeps you warm in the winters. That's what I really love about the sheepskin. So that is the sheepskin bottom cover there. Very simple. Now it can be used inside your vehicle. Also, I have one on my office chair, so it can be used in the office as well. And you know, we all spend lots of hours on the office chairs these days, and so having a nice cushion to sit on is gold. So it comes in other colors as well, but we recommend black as our #1 choice. Second choice, charcoal. And there's some tan colors as well that you could choose from as well. But that's a little bit about the sheepskin bottom, about how to put it on there. Thanks again for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. As always, you can see more at coversandcamo.com. Again, please subscribe as well to the YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram channels there, where again, you can see more sets of seat covers and also awesome, comfortable products like this with the sheepskin. We really love the sheepskin. We think you're gonna love it too. Thanks so much. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com.